Welcome crafters! Today we're diving into the Mixed Media Mega Suite collection by Stampin Up. A stunning assortment perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. Let's start with the Mixed Media Florals 12x12 Designer Series paper. This beautiful collection features intricate floral designs and detailed art. You'll get 2 each of 6 double-sided designs, giving you a total of 12 sheets. Whether you're crafting cards, scrapbooks, or other projects, these papers are sure to add a touch of elegance and artistry. Next, we have the Mixed Media Florals Photopolymer Stamp Set, which comes with both stamps and coordinating dies. The stamps are designed for creating large, beautiful florals that can stand alone or be combined on a card front. These stamps work perfectly with Stampin' Up coloring tools like Stampin' Blends, watercolor pencils, and more. Once you've stamped your florals, use the coordinating dies to cut them out with precision. Add a stunning dimensional look to your projects. Now, let's talk about the Mixed Media Labels Clean Stamp Set, which also includes dies. This set features versatile sentiments like thank you, happy anniversary, for a great friend, and more. One standout element is the banner stamp, perfect for pairing with several sentiments. Use the coordinating dies to create a perfect frame for your sentiments, adding that extra special touch to your cards and projects. Next up is the Plaster Painting 3D Embossing Folder, your go-to tool for adding artistic texture and style to any creation. Embossing folders like this one make it quick and easy to elevate the depth and detail of your designs. Just look at how this folder transforms plain paper into a textured masterpiece, perfect for layering or as a background. And finally, we have the low-profile dots, an essential embellishment for any crafter. These adhesive-backed dots are designed to be low-profile, making them perfect, you heard it, for mailing. You'll get 35 of each color for a total of 140 dots. There's no better way to finish off a project than with a few decorative embellishments. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the Mixed Media Mega Suite collection. This suite is perfect for unleashing your creativity and crafting something truly unique. If you're excited to start crafting with these products, or if you have any video suggestions, be sure to leave a comment below. To learn more about how you can get your hands on these products and more, be sure to contact your demonstrator. Until next time, happy crafting!